So today I just went to Matalan and I got this. I know it looks pretty weird right now, but I promise you it's going to look so good. First we're just going to open it, obviously. Two of my friends already have this. I have the same one as one of my friends. Oh my god, this is so hard to open because of the cardboard. Why do they have to put cardboard? Okay, this is hard.
Scissor লাগবে?
Yes. Okay, shall I get... Okay, now I'm done. And we're just going to cut all the wire things. Okay, that's plastic, so I'm not going to cut that off. So first of all, we got these little hair ties for her. And these are the parts to set her stand so she can actually stand. This is her little hairbrush. Love it. I'm going to use it for myself. And this is a little butterfly clip that I'm going to use for myself as well sometimes. Okay, so this is the doll. It's looking pretty weird, but I promise you guys it's going to look wonderful. Okay, I need some scissors. I'm going to get the kid scissors. So this is how she looks when we took her out. So we're just going to take her face mask off, her hand. This is her little look. Oh, look at her little dress. Okay, her shoes are in here. Also her little glosses. I'm going to get out. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Those just got off. I'm going to break those. Not break, cut those. So this is how she looks. We'll fix her hair later. I'll show you like 1 week later or something. These are her little glosses. Let me just, oh yeah. Wait, first, where's her face mask? Okay, this is her face mask. You see how her lips are a little smeared and stuff? So if you put this on her, look. If I get it off, so this is her little shoes. Girly, those are some very nice high heels. Pink, fashionista. These are her earrings. Pink, 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 pink. I want earrings now. Okay, we're gonna show her. She has like little glosses. Her glasses are very hard to put on, but not very hard though. So cute! When I fix her hair, I'm going to put this on her. But I'm going to wear it for now. Okay, well this is the final look for right now. In the next video, I'll show you the actual thing because of this. Here it's very hard. Oh yeah, here's the stand as well. Okay. This is her. So cute. Okay, but I have to fix her hair because it's not very cute. So I'll fix her hair in the next video. I'll show you guys. So this is what her hair will actually look like. Right here. It looks gorgeous. I know that. So I'll see you next time.